We are just about to start month 12, so our first year's just coming to a close. How it's been really good. It's been challenges, you know, it's not been without a few hiccups and bumps in the road, but on the whole we've had a great start. I've been supported by head office and by my peer network. We've built credibility, a reputation, we've got a structure in place, a team, and I believe set ourselves up to do what I think and know we're going to do in year 2, which is have a really successful year.
Yeah, so for the first 6 months was a real challenge. But having said that, yeah, where we are today is very good. You know, 2 really good technicians. I took on a trainee 3 weeks ago, who looks very promising. 3rd technician starting in 2 weeks.
There's no chance of us getting where we are on our own at all.
Been good, been positive, a few ups and downs, a few issues along the way, but nothing that I haven't really been able to overcome. I think it's just part and parcel of business. There's always going to be ups and downs, but I do quite enjoy problem solving.
Not without challenges, particularly weather, but going well. Yeah, really happy at the moment.